Reuters five-time champion Tiger Woods has committed to playing in the Memorial Tournament in Dublin, Ohio, for what is likely to be his final tune-up ahead of next month's U.S. Open, tournament organizers said Wednesday. The 14-time major champion has earned 4 top 12 finishes, including a share of 11th at last week's Players' Championship, in the 8 events he has played since returning to the PGA Tour this year after spinal fusion surgery in April 2017. Woods, whose most recent victory at Muirfield Village came in 2012, has not competed in the Columbus suburb since 2015 when he carded a career-worst 85 during the third round en route to finishing in 71st place. Speech.